It's actually not hard at all because this has been done before, right? Some companies have actually done it. I was in a company that did it before. It's a matter of educating the equipment base where when somebody provides you something, maybe they are more experts in the process than actually the control and communication technology. So somebody needs to help them get there. So in the past, a lot of the OEMs used to have process engineers and technologies that they would evolve, and then they will transfer that knowledge to the equipment guys. With the EMS factories, that doesn't happen as much anymore. So the equipment, there's an education component to that's what Cimetrix did for the semiconductor industry. Something needs to happen for that. And once that happens, the protocols exist, the technology exists, and it can be done in a matter of an afternoon. It's not a big task.